Alright. Tim, we're going to do another card trick, alright?
Alright.
What is your favorite four of a kind? Like the sevens, the sixes, the kings, the queens, the aces. Not the aces, that's too boring.
Club.
No, like numbers, four of a kind.
Twos.
The twos?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see, I'm just going to go in. What's your favorite two?
Two diamonds.
The two of diamonds? Alright. I'm just going to go and pull out the four twos. Alright. Now, Tim, I want you, well, I'm going to mix them up first, but I want you to just mix these up face down so we both don't know. We both don't know where anything is. Keep mixing them up. Alright. Alright, is that good? That's really mixed up. You don't know where anything is.
No.
Alright, deal them out one at a time face down right here. Alright, now I want you to just point to your favorite card. This one?
Yeah.
Very good. I knew you'd pick that card. Well, you had to pick that card, actually, because if you didn't, this trick wouldn't have worked. Because, you see, it seems the entire deck has just disappeared, except for your card. Go ahead, look at these. They are just blank cards.